Alright, we got here a 2010 Buick Lacrosse. Well, customer complaint is the car's totally dead. Nothing works. They boosted it, it doesn't do anything. There's no power. Horn doesn't honk. Key doesn't come out. Battery's good. You put a booster on it, nothing changed. What I like doing in these situations is diagnosing the easiest thing first. So I'm just going to diagnose the horn. Alright, so this is actually not my old data, but he has it open, so we're going to use it. So this is a horn diagram. So right here we have the horn assembly. It goes into a relay and feeds this horn fuse when the relay goes on. So let me just check that fuse. Fuse 50, horn fuse 15 amp. 51 right here. Now I'm on ground. If I hit a power, it lights up. And it's lighting up in here as if I have power. So that doesn't make sense because it's coming after the relay. Unless there's a bad ground. So you see here we have power. Here we have power in all these. But let's check a ground. Let's touch the engine block. And it lights up. So you see, I have a bad ground to this car. So we got to find out where this thing's grounded, and that's our issue, because this engine, we're going from ground to ground, and we're lighting up a test light. So it's a difference in voltage. So let's just go find this ground. Oh, it's right here. So down here there's a ground. Let's put it on over here, and it lights up. So this is just a bad terminal. Oh, there we go. It's a bad terminal right here. See, I touched right here, and the whole car comes alive. That's our problem. I'm sticking it, so we just got a bad terminal right here. I'm going to cut this off, crimp on a new end, and we should be good to go. Snip this right here. Okay. And this is 2. Okay, let's put this on over here. There we go, all cars alive. I just want to attach this ground also to it. Key comes out. Alright, so is this going to come out? Maybe. Alright, I'm just gonna have to just gonna add a ground. I'm just gonna cut this off easier. Get a new lug. I'll just put it on the end. Alright, let's put this on. Now this thing should start right up. There we go. That's a fix. Well, that's a quick and easy one. That's what I find the easiest way to find the problem, especially when you're get lost in how the system's running. Just find the easiest system. You see, now the horn works. All right, thanks for watching.